deep course, and in today's video we will discuss LeetCode question 2529 that says maximum count of positive integer and negative integer. So here you are given a non-decreasing, that is increasing sorted array nums with some of the integers are positive and some of the integers are negative. You need to count the number of positive integers and the number of negative integers and return the maximum of both the counts. And note that 0 is neither considered as positive nor negative. So let us take a look at the first test case. So here you have 3 negative integers and 3 positive integers. So maximum of both of them is 3 itself. So we return 3. In the second example, we have 3 negative integers and only 2 positive integers because we can't count 0 in either of them. So we return 3 as we have more negative integers and its count is 3. In the third test case, we have 4 positive integers and 0 negative integers, so we return 4. So this is a simple question where we have to maintain the count of negative and the count of positive integers in the given nums array. So let me just try traverse this. So what we would do, we would traverse this nums array. If an integer is less than 0, then we would simply do negative plus plus. If the integer is positive is greater than 0, then we would simply do positive plus plus. And if negative is greater than positive, we will return the count of negative that is stored in NEG, as we would return the count of positive integers. Now let us try to run this. Let me try to submit this. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys understood the question, as this was the easiest question, and understood the solution. Press the like button and do subscribe to our channel for all the LeetCode solution. Thank you.